The neighbor and say, bitch, is you cool? I said, bitch, is you cool?
Figure I'd start recording before I started. But I'm gonna try to separate some of this, see how far we can get. I just got to eyeball the spot welds. I could try to sand it down a little bit, but excuse me, I don't feel like it. Check by check, little by little, trying to save a buck.
You got change for 100?
I just want this cross brace for this. But yeah, I don't need the seat mounts. I'll buy those new, but I just wanted this cross brace. So trying to get this out. Man, oh man. Some of these spot welds, I don't know how the hell GM did it, but you can't even see these holes. But it's gonna come out one way or the other. All right, well, got both seat mount brackets or braces out. Now I just gotta get this long one right here. What I think I'm gonna do is give me a block of wood. As I go, I'm just gonna drill through this. Yeah, as soon as I find out where all my spot welds are, I'm just drilling through this. Cause shit, it's all, I don't need what's underneath anyway. Pulled this a little too hard. Let's see, pulled that one right on out.
Hell no!
I guess my strength got the best of me, but I'm gonna call it quits right here for today. Boy, this was ridiculous, but yeah. But I'm, like I say, I'm gonna give me a block of wood, and I'm just gonna drill through this, cause I ain't got time, and I still gotta take out the one in the car too. So, yep, slowly but surely, check by check. Well, the thinner one came in. Got it pretty close. Sorry, don't got the tape measure I need to continue doing what the hell I'm doing. But I got some pictures, but yeah, got it a whole lot closer. All right, I think I got it where it needs to be. I measured from mine. They pretty much, I just put it in the same spot. From the top of here to here is 8 1/4 inches. So I went off of that. And then, of course, measured this gap and this gap. All right, I can't say I know the best way to do this, but I know the way that I'm about to try this that makes sense to me. So I got the gasket, pull it down, take it to the car, remove the spoiler, drill the holes, hopefully this don't get edited out. So that's what we're gonna do. That's what we're gonna do. I done measured it 5-6 times. Looks like it's all about even. So that's what we gonna do. Shit, measure again before I even try to pull it up. make a parts run. Got that. Those. I got some washers over there somewhere, but yeah, I'm just gonna close this video out right here.
You sure about that? You sure about that?
But had to gotta get this so I can open up the other side of the trunk. So then I definitely gotta shave this down. So when I shave it down, I'm gonna try to shave it down and keep this and not have it come to a point, but I'll figure it out.
Well, well.
All right, well, it's the same day. It was eating at me. I wanted to finish it, and man, when I tell you, I did not want to do this, but I want the wings, so I'm gonna make it happen. Fire on here. I need to get some goggles, boy, because the metal shaving's been flying, and I just been sitting there like ain't no thing. Ain't no thing but a chicken wing. So hopefully I can find this some. Here we go. Okay. Boy, getting this one, this hole is something different right here. Didn't chew through the other side, so we business. Shit. There we go. I'll pick it up in a second. Man, what the fuck is this? Shit. These goofy ass people that's selling shit in this neighborhood. Dude gonna ask me, is this an old Charger?
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man? Bro, I'm out, man. That nigga's tripping.
Definitely made the hood more heavy, but yeah, shit. Definitely added some work to it. But it's on here, but it's definitely gotta get shaved down. Definitely. Shit might. Hold on, let me turn the camera the right way. Shit might honestly just come over this where this is at to give me enough room. I don't know how much clearance is supposed to be in between this, but yep. Looking like I ain't messing it up too bad.
I told you. I be knowing my shit.
But it's definitely touching. Yep, definitely touching, but yeah, I'm gonna figure something out.